Hello everyone, welcome to my channel. In my today's video, I'm going to show you how to make this moringa tea, which is a superfood which will keep you energized and provide nutrients and immunity throughout the day. Moringa trees are huge trees. They grow in tropical climate. They are grown widely in South Asian countries and African countries. The fruits, flowers, and the leaves have abundant and exceptional health and beauty benefits. They contain antioxidants and anti inflammatory properties. They reduce cholesterol, blood pressure, and also boosts immunity. They increase your energy levels. They have exceptionally high quantity of proteins, calcium, vitamins, and all other minerals. So to make the tea, I have got the moringa powder. This is the powder which I have made at home. If you want to know how I made this, I'll leave the link in the description box. If you're not lucky enough to find fresh leaves, you can buy the powder online also. You can find easily in supermarkets too. So to help me make the tea, I have few other ingredients like ginger, fennel seeds, and a teaspoon of honey. You can add mint leaves and also cinnamon or cardamom, anything of your liking. So to make this tea, I need to first crush the fennel seeds and ginger. I'm going to take a mortar pestle to crush the ginger and fennel seeds. Crushing will help to release the juices of ginger and fennel seeds into the tea, which I'm going to make now. To make the tea, I have placed a pan into which I have added hot water. To this, I will be adding the crushed ginger and fennel seeds and let it simmer for few minutes. I need to add moringa powder at the end. I'm adding 1 teaspoon of moringa powder. Add a teaspoon of moringa powder at the end to the hot water. Once done, you need to put off the stove and close the lid and let it sit for few minutes. After 2 minutes, you need to strain it. Before that, add a teaspoon of honey into the cup, and you can also add lemon juice according to your taste. I'm going to strain it using a strainer. Once done, the tea will be ready. This is another form of green tea which you can drink daily instead of your usual morning tea. Drink this daily and see how it boosts your energy, increase your immunity levels, and also keep you energized throughout the day. Women who are lactating and pregnant should avoid this. And if you want to know more such DIYs, please subscribe to my channel, like, share, and comment. Thanks for watching.